Hey guys, it's Dale Walker, Whole Shop Performance. Well, today's a new day. The sun is just coming over the mountain there. We have haze from wildfires in the Sierras. And my buddy's here, that good friend of mine that was at Bonneville all week. And what else is going on? Well, what's going on is today is today for this. It's 6:30 a.m. right now, and Ratzuki is all prepped. This is the new design to add more red coming down from the tank in this section here to fix my boo-boo. But I didn't want to try to blend. So it's all ready. I'm going to continue the red there, and then we're going to let it dry for about 25-30 minutes, and then I'm going to pull the tape, and then I'm going to tack the rest of it off that's already been color or wet sanded with 800 for a whole new coat of clear, 3 coats of clear on the whole thing. Hey guys, okay, so got it all prepped. We got some smoke outside as usual from the fires, but right now it's about, I don't know, 8:30, and very little wind. So I've got the floor all wetted down and fans on. This is where we're going to lay the red all the way across, and I just tacked it off, but I'm going to go over it one more time, and then I'm going to go over the fine line tape with my finger, make sure it's got a good contact so we don't get any blow through, and we'll start laying on the red next. This is the 3rd coat, final coat of the base. Good enough for now. Okay guys, I've got the base on, and it's been about 20 minutes. Looks pretty good. It's got a little bit of stuff in it. We have some smoke today, but it's not as bad as last time. There's some little dots here and there where it spit a little bit, but the clear should cover those up real nice. I don't see any sag. I got nice even coverage, and gonna let it sit about 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna pull the tape and we'll see how my paint lines are. Keep our fingers crossed for a clean tape pull with a nice line. We'll see. Hey guys, okay, moment of truth here. I got all the plastic off, got all the other tape off. Had a teeny bit of blow through, just barely on this side, just tiny bit, and I was able to just get it with a used piece of 800 over there and wipe it off. So far so good. So here's the moment of truth right here. Here's our fine line. We're shooting for a tape pull cut like this if possible. So here we go. It's been about 30 minutes. So we're going to pull the tape. You want to go at a 90-degree angle or a little bit more. Over here, Kurt. Come around. Yeah. And if I can get that all the way around, I'd be very satisfied. But there's a little lip pulling up, see? So you wait too long, it makes it worse. This is right at about 30 minutes, because I had to pull all the other paper off, plastic. This is just going to have a little stripe blend into this part of here. Doesn't matter. It's under the seat. As soon as I get this done, then I'm going to very carefully degrease the rest of the body, just for overspray, or possibly just tack cloth it. We'll see here in a minute. Right on. That's beautiful. So here's our new stripe. Okay. The back. Yeah, it comes this way. So yeah, we're going to take this one off first. Put it on this side, Kurt. Robbie, see how this tape pulls? Come and look at the tape pull here. Yeah, I'll still have to fix this right here. I sanded on that a little bit. I'll feather that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look how crisp that is. Okay.
Oh, that's a clean line now.
Very good.
That is a clean.
Same thing, guys. You want to go 90 degrees or a little more, not straight up. Okay. Just keep it nice and consistent. And in the corner, so you just take your time. This won't have the red stripe list. I thought about it, but it doesn't on the tank. So I'm only going to leave that here. Yeah, keep pulling it so the tape's straight, not like this at an angle, okay? Thank God. Beautiful. All right, that's good for now. I'm going to wipe it down and get going on the clear. Okay guys, this is 2 coats of Spray Max 2K Clear over the Duplicolor electric current red Ford color, and the duplicate color silver metallic. The red and the silver are an acrylic lacquer out of the spray can. The back section is the Professional Series Rust-Oleum with 50% more coverage, gloss black. That's compatible with the 2K Clear. So, doing pretty good. Don't have a lot of crap in it. It's a little better this time. Hopefully, there's still stuff in it. The can did spit twice on the other side here, the clear. So I got one run right here. See it? Right there. You can see it. And there's another little spot right there, but that'll completely color sand out and buff. It's in a good spot, at least, you know. Not on the corner, luckily. Stuff you can't prevent. That's just what happens. That's painting. So anyway, I'm going to do 2 more coats. So when I do buff, I've got plenty of coverage. I've got the front fender over here with just 1 coat. Just 1 coat so far. I did color sand this morning at about 6:30 a.m. You can't see right now. It's just 1 coat. So that thing will be glossy. All right, well, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I've been letting it sit for about 15 minutes now. This is the 4th coat of clear, and I just had enough to do the front fender and get this laid on here. So I like it. Color scheme now completes down the tank. Remember, you won't see this part at all. The seat covers it. It just comes out there. But anyway, there she is. Has some dust in it, but not bad. Not too bad. It'll rub out. I did get a couple runs on the other side from when it dripped. That's kind of normal stuff when you paint. But in general, I think it's beautiful. I do like the color scheme now with the stripe. I think that really looks neat. And I think it looks better than it originally did with just the silver down the side. Well, guys, let's wrap up the painting video here. Pretty much done with the final edition of this thing here. And I wanted to show you the final product. Well, final for now. But it turned out really sano. I haven't rubbed on it at all. There's no reason for me to do that yet. I'm going to let it sit a while. I'm not got a little orange peel here and there, but what do you expect for spray cans, right? Anyway, it turned out really clean. I like the design. Once I get the bike together more with the fairing mounted and the front fender installed, it'll bring it all together. But yeah, the tape lines are beautiful. After I rub on it and kind of get it flattened out a little more and so on, rub it out, maybe I'll do a little tiny little black stripe down here and just this one. I haven't decided yet, but I think it looks super sano. And it has some crap in it because we got all the fires from California and the Sierras going on up here, but still did the best I could with what I had here, basically in my shop on the other side. And I just changed the fender from black to this. The Spray Max 2K Clear will do one full go around the body, one full pass, and a pretty decent coat. Well, that right there, my friends, is one full can on that fender. Again, that's the Ford Electric Current Red. So anyway, this is going to wrap up this video, and I appreciate it. And please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and tell me how you like this going on here with Ratzuki. And I will be back. I did start some chassis assembly, and it's looking pretty sano. I will be back and make a new video of the roller that I've got a little ways on now. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video, guys. And take care and ride safe out there. Cheers.